Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ice and Fire. They recently came out with bath bombs, so they sent me a few. So we're gonna take a look. It's always really nicely packaged. Oh, and they even have them bubble wrapped too, which is awesome because from a few of the other companies I order from, the bath bombs have been coming crumbled, so I like that they really wrap those well. And they also put in little candles too. So here's a pack of Votives, and what's cool about this is you can pick the scents, so you can have all the same or one of each. It's really customizable, and they have a whole list of scents. So I got Sensational Sherbet, a Very Vanilla Bean, Absolutely Apple Pie, and Luscious Lavender, and they smell really good. The Votives and the tea lights though do not contain jewelry, but they're just extra little candle products that they sell. Then we have some bath bombs. So this one is Endless Energy Explosion Pineapple Citrus Blend, and there is a ring in here valued up to $5,000, and they smell so good. I smelled them all when I was unwrapping them. I think this one might be my favorite though. This one is Berry Bomb Blast. I like the little faces on the fruit too, that's cute. So I don't know which one I'm gonna do first, but I am excited for all of these. And the last one is Atomic Orange Creamsicle. I did have their orange creamsicle candle, and it was so good. It smelled amazing. So they have some really awesome products. They are based out of Canada, but they actually have a US site as well. And even though it's coming from Canada, it doesn't take long to ship. So if you guys are interested, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.